In this video, we're going to set up a company with public access. Add New. Add the company name here. And add the company logo. It's important that you have your logo handy as you can't create a company without a logo. For front-end access, select Public, no login required. Now, create a subdomain front-end. Here, we're just going to call it Name. This is what you'll give to your customers to log into the system. Add the freight charge for each delivery. And select Payment Method. In this example, we're going to select On Account and Credit Card. You will not be able to select Credit Card if you have not set up your credit card merchant details within your store. Your credit card can be set up within the Payment Details section here. For the company, add their company content here, and then you're ready to go. If you have any questions, please get in touch.